The newly unveiled Skoda Vision O concept builds on the brand's long tradition of estate cars and demonstrates how these versatile vehicles may evolve in terms of design, technology, and user experience. While it offers an attractive appearance, the emphasis is firmly placed on everyday usability and sustainability. Its exterior design immediately captures attention with a bold, confident presence. The evolution of modern solid introduces a new tech loop front mask, replacing the previous tech deck face. This design integrates the vehicle's front elements into a visual O, directly referencing the concept's name. The illuminated front section flows into a design where aesthetics also serve top-notch aerodynamics. At the front, active grille shutters are integrated, while dedicated channels guide airflow around the wheels. The bonnet features two vents that help reduce drag and simultaneously direct rainwater away from the windscreen. Naturally, the wheels are aerodynamically optimized as well. Inside, the Skoda Vision O continues to embrace simplicity and minimalism, with a strong focus on practicality. Alongside the generous space for passengers and luggage, something Skoda owners have always appreciated, it offers a range of smart, thoughtful solutions. The centerpiece is a clear and intuitive cockpit layout with a sleek, monochromatic aesthetic, complemented by a completely new approach to the user interface. A full-width horizontal display integrates key driver information directly within the field of vision, customizable to individual preferences. In addition to touch input, the system features the tactile smart dial controller for intuitive operation. Steering wheel buttons provide further convenience. The Skoda Vision O emphasizes sustainability not only in its exterior but especially within the interior. Extensive use of recycled and recyclable materials enhances the cabin's overall atmosphere. Sustainability goes hand in hand with functionality and high quality. Vision O illustrates how Skoda intends to enhance the appeal of estate cars while maintaining its leadership in this popular European segment. The concept combines practical features, such as a luggage capacity exceeding 650 liters, with sustainable materials, advanced technologies, and innovative manufacturing processes designed to deliver economical operation and easy handling. The sloping roofline and angled rear further refine the car's elegant profile, finished at the back with T-shaped LED taillights, a signature element of the modern solid design language. The overall effect is pretty classy, and if you split the difference between Skoda's current cars and the Vision O, you can see how some of these styling features would work on a production model.